I got a new band out in California. We haven't gotten out of the Bay Area yet, but I expect we will. It's called the Sycamore Slew String Band. Yeah, it's got a very hot mandolin player, bluegrass guy named David Tom, and a world traveler by the name of Fiddle Dave New York Dollar. You might know from Sloppy Joe and various other things. Turns out I know him through Asheville and Chicago and San Francisco. We have a lot of overlapping worlds. And Roger Seidman on bass. None of whom are here with me tonight. The reason I brought it up was that we have a little video clip on YouTube. We'd love it if you have a look at it. Because if we can start a national buzz for this band, I can bring them out to festivals. And that kind of stuff begins here at places like this, where I can beg you, like virtually one-on-one, to get out. Social networking on behalf of my musical interests. Anyway, this is the song we have up on YouTube. We entered it in the Dead Covers project. We finished out of the video. We had a really time with some other great.
It was a bad contest.
It was
poorly run.
Whatever.
Bunch of deadheads running that stuff. It was. I'm so frustrated with that fucking thing.
Please don't dominate the rap chat if you got nothing to say. If you please don't back up the track, this train's got to run today. I spent a little time on the mountain, spent a little time on the hill. Heard some say better run away, others say better stand still. Now I don't know, but I've been told it's hard to run with the way to go. Brother had I heard it said, it's just as hard with the way to darkness got to be. Yeah, this darkness got to be. Yeah, this darkness got to be. Think I'll go to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends I might go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times before. For strong winds that blow, 7 seas that go high, all these things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are over, I'll look for you if I'm never back this way. And if things were looking good, you could come out if I send you back the fare. But by then it would be winter, not a lot for you to do, and the wind sure blows cold way out there. Strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I this way. For strong winds that blow away, 7 seas